Hello, this is a quick demonstration of a new Talkspot layout we call Simplicity. It's a great layout for putting the focus on photos and color. It's versatile too. It's just incredible what you can do with it. If you're not already a Talkspot customer, you can go to Talkspot.com and simply select it from the list of available templates. It looks just like this. If you're a current Talkspot customer, go to your layout options, choose your website layout, use the pull-down menu, and you'll find Simplicity about 2/3 of the way down the page. The unedited layout looks like this, and you'll see that you'll already arrive in the layout logged in. Let's go ahead and make a few changes to make this layout our own. First of all, let's go to the Sites menu, choose to customize our site layout, and choose our own color. I'm looking for something a little brighter today, so we'll select this one, and you can see that we've already brightened up the page. As the next step, we'll want to go to and upload our files, so click on My Files, Upload Files, and using this left box, let's find the photos that we want. Now in this case, I'm going to use everything here, so I'll just click and upload those. When it's done, it'll ask you where you want to save this, and that'll return you to the main page. Let's trade out that first image. We're going to roll over the image, click Edit, Edit again, and then we're going to select a different photo from this placeholder. Select from a previously uploaded image, and we'll just select this first one just to show you how much change you can make. Now there's some other things that you could do here, but for right now, we're just going to click Save again. And you can see this is already looking more like a page that would be our own family site. Now there's some things that we can do here. For instance, we probably don't need this piece of copy, so if we click and move, and simply remove it. It's that easy to get rid of things that you don't want on the page. So again, Edit, Remove. Since this is going to be a personal website, instead of a company name, we can click to edit, edit again, change the name, go on ahead and save that. Now since this is going to be in our header, and our header will appear on every page, we're going to change all copies of this. And that way, once we've saved it, it'll appear on every single page the same way. Now let's go on ahead and take these ones on the bottom, and again, edit, edit, and select a different photo. Now I've made this change down below. You can see this is starting to fill in. And I ran into one photo that doesn't look like the others. So just to show you what you can do there, click Edit, Edit again. In this case, we'll click Edit a third time. And we can crop this image so that it better fits with the others on the page. We'll put it in the preview mode. You can see it's a nice, kind of very clean look. Very fun way to put your family photos online. Now to go back out of preview, exit preview. Okay, now we'll go on to some other pages. Let's start with something like services. And frankly, as a family, I don't have a services page. If I want, I can remove that page entirely. And it will remove it from the menu. And whereas I might like a portfolio, I really don't like this page layout, so let me remove that one as well. And we'll add a new page. Copy a page that looks a lot like this one. And you can see it will arrive blank here. And so let's just add some images. And in this case, I'm going to add an image gallery. And then I'll choose from images to put on that. You can see, just select and click. And click Save. And that might work, but let me show you a fancier way to do it. Instead, let's move this down here, and then we'll just move and copy it onto this page. And move it into position. And I'm going to do this just a few more times. And this actually works a little bit better if there's more photos in it. But you can see it kind of creates a moving collage, just kind of one of the fun things that you can do with this template. And you can see that I forgot to name this page when I put it on the website. That's done over here. Options, change page name. And it'll automatically put that back on the page. Next, let me show you how a blog works. Go to the blog page. And you can see that there was already a blank one on the page that we've got. Let's make that page our own by just removing the things that don't work for us. And while this is a good example of a blog, it's almost best, I think, sometimes just to move and remove it. and add a blog of our own and start over. Click to add a new entry, and you can see it brings up a full text editor. All we have to do is name it, give it an author, and if you want, you can just copy and paste that whole thing in from Word so that it can strip out anything that doesn't belong in this from your original Word document. You can also add an image pretty much the same way that you did in your original file. And I'll show you, so just because that's a little large here, we can pull down the sizing on that. And if you right-click, you can align it to the left to one side here. And also by right-clicking, you can edit the image, remove appearance, and put a little padding in place there. That way you can see the text goes right to the right of the photograph there. And if you want, you can automatically email every new blog entry to everybody on your list straight from here. That's as simple, by the way, as adding a widget for a mailing list registration. Takes just a second. All the back end is already done, so the moment somebody puts an email address in there, you've already building your mailing list. And we could go on, but you get the point. It's just a very versatile piece. And I guess just one final edit. If you wanted, if the white background's not for you, you can click Site, customize your site layout, and go to Images, and use our own image. And you can see we've completely changed the look and feel of things again. Anyway, that's an overview of Simplicity, very, very quick. Would invite you to jump over to Talkspot.com, check it out yourself. It's free to try. And if you happen to be a Talkspot customer already, you can trade over to this, and you can make it work pretty much immediately. If you have any questions on Simplicity or anything about Talkspot, give us a call at 800-237-1450 or drop us a line at support@Talkspot.com. Thanks for watching.